Look, stop gambling, trade with the plan. Make sure that you know what you're doing. Over 80% of traders lose money due to a lack of just not having a plan. If you're going to work hard for your bread, make sure that you at least know what you're doing before you invest. Put it in something stable, like a good stock, some Bitcoin, before you get into just aggressive day trading or things like that, before you don't know what you're doing. You just waste your bread for no reason. Over 80% of traders lose money due to a lack of structured strategy, and trading without a plan is a financial roulette. Emotional decisions equal poor outcomes, and no plan equals no edge, equals no consistency, and that equals no confidence, and that's going to destroy yourself as a human being. We're here to be structured. We got to go harder. All right. StackMode teaches rule-based strategies, and we're here to progress. Inshallah. Everyone wants to win, but few know how. Retail traders rush in with emotion, hype, and hope, but hope is not an ESG strategy. You need to make sure that you know what you're doing. Have an entry framework, have an exit framework, and no risk management or position sizing is going to be a pitfall for just destroying your finances. And no performance review system is not going to include any self-analyzation. So you must self-analyze yourself if you guys want to grow. And getting into risk management. What is risk management? Risk management is going to be the percentage of your account that you play with per trade. Don't play with 100% of your account per trade. Make sure you guys are playing with 1 to 10% of your account per trade. Take it slow, buy profitable stocks, buy good options, and make sure if you guys are buying options, futures, or forex, make sure you guys have a profitable and good entry and exit framework. This way, inshallah, you guys are going to be able to go ahead and be profitable. Okay? So I don't want you guys to just be losing money for no reason. Don't be hoping, and make sure you guys are studying. StackMode.net for free education. Market really punishes the unprepared. It's how market profits. If you guys have ever heard of the term liquidity, liquidity is pretty much the people who are just losing trades. Okay. And 95% of day traders quit within 2 years. People do not stay locked in within this. People quit. People make impulsive decisions based off of FOMO. Nobody really understands the structured bias. So if you take the time out of your life, pause time out of your business, go study. You have time. Trust me. Okay. Take some time, study. Come to StackMode.net and book a free call and understand the market and take some of your business profits and invest it. And you guys are going to be able to get rich a lot faster, inshallah. So understand also 95% of day traders quit within 2 years. So all you have to do is be more disciplined, be more prepared, have lower anxiety, and go harder than 95% of people. And you're going to go ahead and be successful, inshallah. And the average loss from impulsive trades is 4 times higher than unplanned trades or planned trades, I meant to say. And the reason why impulsive trades leads to bigger losses is because you guys aren't thinking. You guys are just taking your losses. You guys are just getting absolutely destroyed. And it's okay. Sometimes in life that happens. But we're here to win. We're here to change our mindset, and we're here to go hard. You can't let anything stop you. You have to understand that these losses were prepared to put in your face. But just analyze yourself. Okay? Really think. Am I greedy? Why am I trading so much? Why can I not accept the loss? Some of you guys need to just get right with God and just really understand that you have ego problems. You have problems that you haven't dealt with due to the fact that you're always winning in business. You might be good at school, you might be good at your job, but understand that in life, and especially in trading, a moment of undisciplinedness can really destroy a lot. Okay, and losses kill confidence and capital. And that's definitely can lead you guys into a series of depression and spiraling if you guys don't understand that God wants you to go through these things, but don't get depressed just because you lose money. Don't get depressed just because you're going through losses. And don't think that trading is not for you. And don't let it kill your confidence and your dreams as an investor. Okay? This is put in your heart for a reason. You just have to get structured, fix your patience, and just watch how things will change, inshallah. Okay, so what's the cost of trading without a plan? Not having a plan doesn't just cost money. It costs time, energy, and opportunity. Blowing up your account over and over and over again makes trading seem like it's not possible. But then when you guys see people running around in Lamborghinis, having big mansions, successful, having their own cribs young, stuff like that, being profitable from the market, it can really make you think, what am I doing wrong? Okay. And you're just trading without a plan. So you're missing compounding opportunities. You're not getting in good stocks at an early time. So the reason why you're not looking for opportunity is because you might just be BSing in life. You might be at the club. You might be chasing love that you're not ready for. You might be wasting your time doing certain substances that you shouldn't be doing. You might be spending unnecessary money. Okay. You might be eating out instead of investing. You got to really stay down and put it all into investing. Okay. Put it all into your craft, back into the business and into trading, and stay down for a couple of years and watch how things change and so on. Okay. Stress, burnout, and confusion can also really just lead to you making crash out impulsive decisions. Stay level headed. I understand that life can get difficult. Don't let the bill stress get to you. Don't let financial stress get to you. Life is cool. Don't trip. Understand that God put you through everything for a reason. You cannot crumble. You got to keep going hard. Okay. And delayed wealth building progress is just going to really implement in your mindset that, okay, get rich slow. And get rich slow mindset is really going to help you guys progress. Just focus on prayer, grind, and just being consistent in your discipline and watch how things change. And then boom, the profit in a couple of years or a couple of months in no time will be right in your face and show up. Okay. Stay patient, stay disciplined, don't give up. So build a repeatable, profitable trading plan. Don't break your trading plan. Okay. And once you find a good system, stick to it and turn chaos into clarity by applying a proven trading system that have rules, risk, and review all set in structure before you get in. Okay. Make sure you have some entry and exit rules set up. Okay. Breakouts or break and retest. If price doesn't break and retest how you want it, you don't get it. Okay. That's just going to go ahead and be that. Okay. You guys trade however you want to trade. You guys trade the profitable platforms that you guys like. Okay. And make sure you guys are playing for at least a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. You want to be at least doubling your money. Okay. You don't want to just be getting the same return. Okay. So try and at least double your money every single trade. And make sure you guys are journaling your trades. Make some videos or something like that. Even if you don't post it online, just post it yourself in Discord or something. Keep it in your phone. Keep some type of journal where you guys talk about your emotions for the day, talk about your progress, talk about your entries, and review. And you guys are going to be able to look back and you might be like, dang, I was horrible. And that's going to really help you improve and give you a lot more confidence. Journal everything. I promise it's really going to help you guys, especially when you're first getting into investing. And as a business person or someone with a high paying job, do not come into trading with the same mindset thinking that you're going to be successful straight off the bat. So whatever you're successful in right now, don't just immediately think, okay, trading is going to be successful for me. No, I'm not saying you're going to fail, but don't come in with that ego driven mindset thinking that you're going to be able to force success by brute force. Because in trading, you will be humbled by that and you will not be profitable. So planning increases trading success by over 70%. So studies show that traders with a written plan are significantly more profitable and consistent. So planning equals discipline. And when you guys have discipline, you guys aren't going to be doing stupid stuff. You're not going to be crashing out your bread. You're not going to be losing for no reason. You're not going to be getting destroyed. You're not going to be blowing up your account. Instead, what you're going to be doing is compounding your wealth, growing your investment strategy into a consistent, profitable plan. You might be able to teach other people and start a business off that. Okay. So just being disciplined is really going to take you a long way. And discipline is going to be your edge. Like I said, over 95% of people really quit trading in 2 years. They come back sporadically, play some FOMO, but for the most part, a lot of people are just liquidity and aren't profitable within the markets. Okay. So you being disciplined is going to be your edge within the world and within the market. And your edge is going to equal profitability. Okay. So your discipline is going to be your edge, and your edge is going to equal your profitability. Don't get sloppy. I don't care how much profit you guys are running up. I don't care how much bread you guys are running up. Just please don't get sloppy. Stay prayed up to God, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and don't get like tired. Just keep going. So plan or perish. Case studies from the market. Traders who follow a system outperform those who rely on emotion and luck. So crypto investors lost 50K on a FOMO entry. Might just be entering at all-time highs, no resistance above current price, about to buy it at a major pullback. Okay, this is why it's important to know what the chart is. And after you guys run up your bread, you're going to be able to invest securely, put in some bread, and then go ahead and gain some good money. And in another case, a future trader gained 120K using a simple plan. Say they brought at only break and retest levels, bought calls, bought long, and maybe swing trade some micros contracts. Okay. Save system portfolios to see what works for you. For you. You can't trade like everyone else. See what works for you and your emotions and stick to that. And whatever is most profitable based off your journal, that's the model you should be playing. So your business has a plan, and that also means that your trade should too. Okay. So you would not run your business without a budget or a strategy. So trading is not any different. Make sure you guys are planning a blueprint for success. Plan a strategy. Plan your entry. Plan your exit. You're not going to be able to succeed without a plan. And I understand in life we make mistakes, but once you get your head on, you make a plan and you just go forward and you go hard. Okay. So avoid shiny object syndrome. You need to just be going hard, focusing on your discipline, focusing on your entries, waiting for pullbacks. Don't just get in at all-time highs or FOMO. Okay. Understand the chart before you invest, please, for the love of God. And make sure you guys are tracking your ROI like a business. Understand your returns, understand how much you guys are making in profit, and you guys are going to be able to go ahead and see a lot different just result within your life, inshallah. Okay. So no plan equals no control, and that equals no freedom in the down run. I know you guys want to own your house, buy a Lambo, buy a Ferrari, but we need a plan for this. And a plan is going to help us keep a lot of self-control. And trading is about freedom, time, financial, mental, and a plan that protects the goal. Okay, without structure, emotions then take over. And when emotions take over as human beings, sometimes we can make sporadic decisions that we're not going to be happy with in the future. But that's okay. Do not let that decision crumble you. We have to make those decisions. Some of you guys need to just learn how to stop being a prisoner of your past. Whatever happened to you, it happened. Okay, we're going to move on. God wanted it to happen. Don't let those losses crumble you. And set some new goals. Restructure yourself. Okay. And without goals, you can't grow. Set some new goals. Be a new person. Go forward. And without review, you cannot improve. Okay. So we have to just keep going hard. We cannot give up. I love you guys so much, and I want you guys to be successful. We're about to grind every single day. We're going to be disciplined. We're going to be going hard. And we can't give up. Inshallah, we have to achieve our goals here on this earth. We don't know when we can die, but we got to just keep going every single day. Don't let anyone outwork you. Don't let anyone be more out-disciplined than you. Okay? We have to go hard. And if you're ready to trade like a business, visit StackMode.net. At StackMode.net, I help you master trading and grow your business like a pro. Okay? I offer step-by-step trade planning, mentorship and systems for success, and you can join the StackMode Signals trading community for growth-driven traders who are catching my trades. I do give out free signals sometimes as well too. Love you guys so much. Stay prayed up with God, most importantly. Stack Mode Chris. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.